And finally, we have the cloud startup plan. If you purchase hosting using my link, you will see that a 20% discount is automatically applied. You will also get a free domain for 1 year. And if you purchase the 48 months plan, you will also receive 3 months extra hosting for free. It is available in the description. Go to the description and click on the link. As soon as you click on the link, the official website of Hostinger will open in front of you. Here you need to click on Claim Deal. After clicking on Claim Deal, you will see different web hosting plans offered by Hostinger. These plans may change depending on your country, so the prices and features can vary from country to country. The first plan we have is the single plan. With the single plan, you can create only one website. It includes 10 GB storage and you can create one email mailbox per website. Next, we have the premium plan, which is the most popular plan. With the premium plan, you can create up to 3 websites. It comes with the 20 GB storage and you can create 3 email mailboxes per website. After that, we have the business plan. With the business plan, you can create up to 50 websites. It also includes 50 GB of high-speed NVMe storage, which is much faster. Additionally, you can create 5 Node.js web apps and 5 email mailboxes per website. And finally, we have the cloud startup plan. With this plan, you can create up to 100 websites. It includes 100 GB of fastest NVMe storage and you can create 10 Node.js web apps and 10 email mailboxes per website. If your budget is very limited and you only want to create blogging or review websites, I recommend purchasing at least the premium plan since it is the most popular option. However, if you have a better budget and plan to create e-commerce websites, shopping stores or dropshipping websites in the future, then I highly recommend choosing the business plan because it offers faster storage and better performance. After choosing your desired plan, simply click on Choose Plan. At the top, you will see the duration option, where you can select how long you want to purchasing the hosting. If you have the budget, I recommend choosing 48 months because it gives you the maximum discount. However, if your budget is limited, you can choose a shorter duration. After that, scroll down and you will see the domain search box. Here you need to search for a unique domain name for your website. You will get one domain free for 1 year. For example, if I search canary.com, you can see it is available. I simply select it. Now you may notice that the price is showing for the domain, even though it says the domain is free. This is because the duration might be set to 2 years. If I change the duration to 1 year, you can see the price becomes 0, which means the domain is completely free. If you purchase hosting using my link, you will see that a 20% discount is automatically applied. You will also get a free domain for 1 year. And if you purchase the 48 months plan, you will also receive 3 months extra hosting for free. After confirming everything, click on Continue. Now you need to create your account, enter your email address, then create a strong password and click Register Account. After that, you will need to add some basic details such as your name, country and zip code. Then choose your payment method and complete the payment. Once the payment is confirmed, you will be automatically redirected to the Hostinger dashboard.